Yaman anin Sir Hector, why umali ng felicitator. Soil painting atong Ryan, why siyan ng karukiyan.
Ay, salidombay, diwan.
Manyaman aning CGN, nanorkan ut-uten. Why umoy manchurumen, usaron dyan soil painting.
Ay, salidombay, diwan.
Sabay kumatadjog anyo, nanturong way iyaliyo. Taang inanisuro, kanuteng way sumarunong.
Ay, salidombay, diwan.
Ang sanan ulit ni istorya nan ilini, won maid ininon ni tan maid supporter ni.
Ay, salidombay, diwan.
Thank you very much, thank you for inviting us here in Baguio. We hope you invite us again to share with you our next talent.
Okay, thank you very much. Pasensyaan nyo na lang ta han nga golden voice ti voice mi silver voice.